Morning, grade ones. Here we are on Thursday morning. I hope you are managing to do your spelling very nicely, because today I'm just going to start with adding the sentence for your spelling. You're going to use the same words, but we can't just have those words in a sentence. And I'm going to ask your parents to write it for you the first time. I will put it in your work that comes out in the day, so then they can copy it from there. So the sentence says the, and you've had the in reading often, so you should be able to write the cat, which you've been doing all week, sat, which you've also had that word, then on, we've had for reading, the again, mat. So you're going to read, the cat sat on the mat. And I want you to trace over it, and you can draw a little picture, and then you will practice it again tomorrow, and perhaps your parents can test you and just see how you go for the week for the first time. We won't do a big spelling test, but we will test it so that we know that we're getting there. So it's the cat sat on the mat. And let's see if you can write it nicely for me, please. Right, and then today I'm going to talk again about your reading, your lovely story about going to space. And you're going to do activity, let me just check, sorry, activity 60. And you have to read your sentences and underline certain words. So I first want you to read the space story again. I think by now you know that story very well, but when you've got to answer questions, you need to read the story again. So read your story about Daddy going to space, and then you must go to your workbook and you're going to do the activity, number 60, and then you need to draw a picture of the sentence that you make. And I'm not going to tell you the sentence. I want to see if you can use those words once you've cut them up. You've got words to cut up, and see what sentence you can make, and then draw a picture. And you're going to do it in your workbook. And then for tomorrow, I want you to think about you going on a journey into space. I want you to pretend that you're going to fly into space like Daddy did, but this time you are going to be in the spacecraft, and you are going to be the spaceman or the astronaut. And so maybe you can discuss it with your parents, and then tomorrow we'll talk some more about it, and you're going to draw a picture. Thank you, grade ones. Have a lovely day.